Fewer choices, rising prices, and consistent sales. Three trends from the first half of 2026. I'm David Stark, and welcome to the East Bay Real Estate Weather Report. Seasonally, more choices for buyers compared with early in the year. Bigger picture, inventory was way down compared with last June. While there was some short-term volatility in sales prices, compared with this time last year, prices up with the median in the East Bay at 1.19. Sales in most of the East Bay continue to increase month over month and topped last June by almost 100 homes. Let's take a closer look, starting with the 880 corridor. Fewer choices for buyers almost everywhere. Albany, Castro Valley, San Leandro, all down more than 50%. Prices were mostly up. Berkeley up more than 30% to 1.9. Newark topped 1.3. Sales were mixed. Castro Valley and San Leandro both down more than 20%. West Contra Costa County, it's next. Homes for sale, mostly down. Richmond down more than 50% with 74 homes on the market. Prices were mixed. El Cerrito down, yet still at 1.3. El Sobrante up more than 20% to 785. Home sales mixed. Big increase in El Sobrante, 16 sold. Hercules down with 9 sales. Now we're in central Contra Costa County. Homes for sale, as with the rest of the East Bay, mostly down. Martinez, Pleasant Hill, and Walnut Creek all down more than 20%. Prices mostly up. Pleasant Hill up to 1.17. Walnut Creek at 1.6. Sales up everywhere. Concord, 75 sold. Pleasant Hill had 34. Next up, La Miranda. Inventory was down. Orinda, 31 homes on the market. Prices up everywhere. Lafayette and Orinda both more than $2 million. Sales were mixed. No change in Lafayette, big increase in Moraga. We're in the Tri-Valley next. Homes for sale, mostly down.
Danville and Livermore both down 20%.
Prices were mixed. Alamo up 20% to almost $3 million. Dublin, Livermore, and San Ramon all down. Sales were mostly up. Danville 49 sold and Dublin 39 sold. And finally, we're in the Delta. Inventory down. Antioch down almost 40% with 132 homes for sale. Prices mostly down slightly. Antioch is one of the exceptions, up 7% to 630. Sales were mixed. Discovery Bay down almost 30%, while Oakley was up almost 20%. Last thought. A home was on the market for 21 days during June, compared with 29 days a year ago. Fewer choices for buyers meant they had to act faster than last year. We'll see you next month.